Hey everyone, imagine you're driving and suddenly your car won't shift gears properly. Maybe it's stuck in a single gear or worse, it enters limp mode. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and the code P0891. Transmission control relay circuit high pops up. This means the transmission control relay is sending too much voltage to the TCM, which can lead to serious transmission failure if ignored. In this video, I'll show you the exact sensor locations, possible causes, and step-by-step fixes to get your car back to normal. Let's dive in. What is DTC-P0891? DTC-P0891 means that the transmission control relay circuit is operating at a voltage higher than expected. This relay is responsible for powering the transmission control module, TCM, and if it malfunctions, your transmission won't work correctly. Common symptoms of P0891: hard or delayed shifting, transmission stuck in limp mode, check engine light on transmission, warning light on poor acceleration sensor and component location. Very important. Transmission control relay, TCM relay, found in the underhood fuse box near the battery or firewall. In some cars it's inside the dashboard fuse panel behind the glove box. Transmission control module, TCM, mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine bay fuse box. Some models have it inside the transmission valve body. Relay wiring and fuse box runs from the battery to the fuse box, then to the TCM and transmission solenoids. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause excessive voltage. Check your vehicle's service manual for the exact locations. What causes P0891? Stuck or faulty transmission control relay, short circuit in relay wiring, blown or incorrect fuse in the transmission circuit, malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, battery or alternator overcharging the circuit. How to fix P0891? Step 1. Inspect the transmission relay. If it's stuck in the on position, replace it. Step 2. Check the fuse box and wiring. Look for any burnt fuses, melted wires, or loose connections. Step 3. Test the relay voltage using a multimeter. If it's too high, replace the relay. Step 4. Check the alternator output voltage. A faulty alternator can send excessive voltage to the circuit. Step 5. Reset the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive your car. Fixing P0891 is crucial to prevent major transmission damage. A faulty relay or wiring issue can send excessive voltage, which may damage your TCM or other transmission components. For more OBD-II error codes, watch these videos next. P0648, engine torque signal, circuit low. P0649, engine torque signal, circuit high. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.